Hi and welcome back to my channel, Julips Garden. I live in North Carolina, Zone 7B. So it's almost fall and the stores are starting to bring in their inventory of bulbs for the spring flowers. So I'm going to take you inside and we're going to go see what Lowe's has in stock. Okay guys, let's see what bulbs are here in stock. First of all, I'm drawn to this one. Look at that beautiful tulip. Wow, this tulip is so beautiful. This is called the Angelique. It says it's great for cut flowers and it has double blooms. You're gonna get 15 bulbs for $9.98. So if you live in the south like I do, these tulips you need to refrigerate them before you plant them. So I think I read online you can do 6 to 8 weeks in your refrigerator, not your freezer, and then you plant them because we won't get cold enough for these to bloom really nice. So just a little tip in case you're in the south. And these will bloom in late spring and they get up to 18 inches high. They look so beautiful. This one is called Orange Emperor. It says it's also great for cut flowers, or you can put it in a container. Oh, how pretty would this be in a pot? And these get up to 16 inches tall. And they bloom early spring. These are some of my favorite daffodils. This one's called Double Pink. Look at that double flower in there. So beautiful. And so this one says it's tear resistant and it's fragrant. So these will usually come back in the south. I don't think you have to put them in the refrigerator. This one blooms mid-spring and it'll get up to 16 inches high. And look at the alliums. These are the Gladiator alliums. These are the ones that have those huge blooms. I don't know if you've seen them. They had them at the Duke Gardens this spring and they were just gorgeous. So these will get up to 36 inches high, so 3 feet, and they bloom early summer. So this is a smaller flower, a crocus. This one is Blue Moon Mix. It has multiple blooms per bulb and returns year after year. This one only gets up to 6 inches. And here we have a daffodil mix. So these are 15 bulbs also for $9.98. But see how it says naturalizing mix. So what that means is basically they'll start to kind of spread gradually, but not in an invasive way. And this one also says it's great for cut flowers. They'll get up to 16 inches high. This is a smaller daffodil, and this one will only get up to 8 inches high. This one is a tulip. This is a tulip pack of bulbs, 15 for $9.98. This one is called Spring Break Blend. And it says it's great for cut flowers and it has big blooms getting up to 20 inches high. Look at this, Persian blue alliums. You get 6 bulbs for $9.98 and they keep coming back. Those would be neat. So this one is called Rembrandt Collection. It says it's good for cut flowers or containers. You get 25 bulbs for $14.98. And look how tall these get. These get 28 inches tall. That would be beautiful for a bouquet. Look at this one. This is a double mix. Man, look at those blooms. They're beautiful. And it also says it's good for cut flowers getting up to 18 inches high. This one is the Angelique and Freeman collection. So beautiful. These are the more spring pastel colors. And this one gets up to 18 inches high. And here we have a mix of daffodils, the Papillon mix. 20 bulbs for $14.98. And these get about 16 inches high. And these are the ranunculus. Oh my gosh, I really want to try to grow these next year. This is the Aviva mix, also good for cut flowers or containers. And these bloom in late spring, get up to 16 inches high. And these are gorgeous. Here we have anemones. So this is the Blanda mix, also good for cut flowers, comes back every year. You're getting 30 bulbs for $9.98. I think that's really good. And they'll bloom early spring and they're only 4 to 6 inches high. Look at this. They have the all-in-one collection. So you get a mix of all different types of daffodils. You get 30 bulbs for $14.98. It says that these are good for cut flowers and these will come back every year for you. So they can get up to 18 inches high and they bloom mid-spring. I think this would be a great option if you just want to buy one and have a, see which ones are your favorites, see which ones you like. And man, this would make such a statement planted all together. They also have this mix. It's called the pink mix. Also 30 bulbs for $14.98. Or the double mix. And so you just see those flowers. They have the extra petals in the center. I love these. They look like paper. They're one of my favorites. They also have the trumpet mix. And this is a different variety of allium. This one is the Purple Sensation. It comes back every year. You're getting 18 bulbs for $14.98. And they get up to 32 inches high and they bloom late spring. Here are some more tulip varieties they have. These packs are 6 bulbs for $4.98. And you have the Oxford Elite. We have a Bride, beautiful. Mystic Van Eyck, my favorite, that shade of pink. We have the Reds, Oxford, and Golden Oxford. And then we have the Daffodil Yellow Trumpet. We have some more varieties of crocus. These are 10 bulbs for $4.98. This one is the large hovering mix and come back every year. And this one is pink wing. Look at that, beautiful. This one is 7 bulbs for $4.98, Orange Monarch. And those crocus bloom early spring. And these tulips bloom mid-spring. This is a blend they have, Summer Sunset Blend. So beautiful. These are 20 bulbs for $14.98. It says they have long-lasting blooms. They bloom mid-spring and get to 22 inches high. This is the Crimson Burst Blend. This is the Burning Sunset Blend. The Coronation Blend. This is the Bubblegum Blend. And the Watermelon Burst Blend. And this is Spring Break Blend. They also have the Passion Fruit Mix, also 30 bulbs for $14.98. And these get up to 14 inches tall. This one is the Violet Mix. And this one is the Spring Color Mix. We have the Dutch Master Daffodils, 30 bulbs, $14.98. And this is one of my also favorites, the Double Pink Daffodil, 15 bulbs for $9.98. They have these Darwin Hybrid Mix for 30 bulbs, $14.98, and they also have it in the hybrid red color. And they have the Daffodil King Alfred, 30 bulbs for $14.98. They have a Stilby, which seems to be going fast. It's the last one. And these are 3 plants for $14.98. So these will come up for you the next year. So fall's a good time to go ahead and get those into the ground. This one is a mixed. They have peonies, Hawaiian coral. This is Kansas and red gardenia. Very beautiful. And they also have the tiger lilies, 7 bulbs for $14.98. Okay guys, that's it for today. They had some really beautiful bulbs, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy my content, please make sure to like and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I can post right away when I come across some great gardening finds. Thank you and have a good day.